Good day, Madam and Sir. My name is Rona May Sanchez. I am 29 years old. I live in Sundermayo, Antique, Philippines. I am a college graduate. We're two siblings in the family, and I am the eldest. I am already married, and I have a 1-year-old child. It's a boy. For me, as a first-time mom, it's very exciting and challenging to take care of my baby, but I love it for being a mom. It's my first time to work in Hong Kong, but I have already experienced working abroad since I worked in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia last 2020. I worked there for 2 years and 4 months. My duties and responsibilities there is I work as a nanny of a 1-year-old child boy and assistant of a PW patient 42 years old. I can do household chores like cooking, cleaning, ironing, and washing the clothes. I love to care babies and I can treat them as my own child. I can take care pets too, like dogs and cats. For my future employer, I can assure you that I have a multitasking personality, hardworking, honest. Thank you.